Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Kaptify Consulting Investor Relations team, I welcome you all to the Q1FY27 post-earnings conference call of Chaman Lal Setia Exports Limited. Today on the call from the management team we have with us Mr. Rajiv Setia, Joint Managing Director and CFO, and Mr. Ankit Setia, Whole-Time Director. As a disclaimer, I would like to inform all of you that this call may contain forward-looking statements which may involve risk and uncertainties. Also, a reminder that this call is being recorded. I would now request the management team to brief us about the business and performance highlights for the period ended June 2026, the growth plan and vision for the coming quarters or the year, post which we will open the floor for Q&A. Over to the management team.
So I welcome all for joining us, and I would like to thank everybody for investing, having trust in our company. ये जो last quarter गया है, this was a quarter which happened during the war of Iran and USA. So इसके different तरह के challenges थे, and अगर मैं अपनी कंपनी की परफॉर्मेंस की बात करूं तो हमारे को इस वॉर की वजह से there was absolutely no effect. The sales went fine. There were no claims. There were no containers which got stuck anywhere. So it was a smooth quarter for us. And अभी 2-3 दिन पहले somebody very senior from MSC line, shipping line, was in our office, and he highly praised about the company's way of working. They said that the way Chaman Lal Setia Exports Limited has diversified their export business, the way we are capturing multiple ports all over the world, like he said that this way there is no other company working. So it gave us great confidence to listen to that. So this is what I wanted to say. Chacha, if you like to add.
Yes, with the spread risk we are working. This is what we are doing for years altogether, and this has really paid now when the war situation is going on. The movement to Middle East is low. Of course, through Red Sea, the countries like Egypt and this Aqaba port, Jordan, and Lebanon is doing well. And this part it's slow down now. But let's hope it goes well. Our 500-ton shipment to Jeddah is moving in a day or two. So it's going. Let's see. This part is not as good as it used to be, but the other part of the world like US, Canada, New Zealand, Europe, Russia, African part, we are all over.
So last quarter we had 0 shipments to Iran. That is why you can see there is no effect.
When we have shipped to Iran, never.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's move on to the Q&A.
Yeah.
Sure. All those who wish to ask a question may use the option of raise hand. In case you are unable to raise hand, you can drop a question in the Q&A box and we'll ask your question on your behalf. I request participants now to raise their hand.
No, sir, good afternoon. Meeting is fine, but I cannot talk. Manisha Kela.
Sir, we'll take the first question from Manish Kela. Manish, you can go.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you for the opportunity and congratulations once again displaying a solid performance both on top line as well as bottom line. So I have a couple of questions, sir. One is in your commentary, you've talked about again elevated ocean freight costs. Again, I understand all of this is because of the geopolitical situation. So again, were we able to absorb these costs? Were we able to pass it through the customer? So that's the question. That's one. And my second question would be, we also talked about doing good purchase of low-cost inventory. So this was highlighted on the previous call. So are we still holding on to any low-cost inventory? And if yes, what would be the quantum And do we expect Q2 realizations to be strong as well, going by the current rates of basmati rice?
Yes, your first question is about ocean freights. We are quoting only FOB these days and telling the buyers we will ship CIF, of course, because we have to secure our cargo also with the insurance. And the actual ocean freight as on that date will be added to the price to make it CIR. And we always tell them, we give you the price, whatever, because you are yet to sell. We have sold you and you are yet to sell. You are in a better situation than us, despite paying ocean freight. But everybody knows ocean freight has gone up, and accordingly they factor into their prices and sell. The demand is there. It's an essential product. Demand is too much. And other question, we built up huge stock of low prices, and starting from the commencement of season until mid-January, we bought a lot of rice. We still have a reasonable quantity with us at the lower price. And whenever the prices went down in this period also, because when there was good news from the war side, the prices used to go up. And when any eventuality happened, like a resume of war, whatever unfortunate we should say, the prices used to come down. We got opportunities to procure also. So in all, we are in a very good situation to sell.
Thank you, sir. If I can squeeze in one final question. While sales increased, the volumes reduced. So do we expect volumes to be soft in Q2 as well?
Q2, it's very little premature stage to comment because it's just beginning of the uh, quarter two. Demand is there. Now it depends. Demand is there means buyer and seller are confident about the business. Now it depends upon the logistic. I mean, this war is receding slow day by day, and let's hope good time comes. Ocean freights come down, or the movement to all destinations is in order or going quick. The business can happen anything. And if the slowdown remains, then it can hit also. So, I mean, it's premature to stay. Still, we have to pass.
Yeah. And how are the current prices of basmati ruling at? Is it high or what is it?
They are high, of course, but not the peak level which was achieved by rice. They are less than that, but still high.
All all right. Thank you, sir. I'll join back the queue.
Thank you, Manish. Sir, we'll take the next question from Rajesh. Rajesh, you can.
Yeah, good afternoon, Rajiv ji and Ankit ji.
Hmm.
Nice to talk you once again.
Hmm.
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये था सर कि सबसे पहले जो अपना टैगलाइन है ना प्रेजेंटेशन का देख के बहुत ही मजा आ गया। फुल्ली इंटीग्रेटेड फार्म टू फोर्क ऑपरेशंस, टैगलाइन सही में बहुत ही शानदार है। एंड सेकेंड पॉइंट ही रिजल्ट जो अपना आया है बहुत ही अच्छा है। सिंपल चीज है कि टॉप लाइन ग्रोथ हमारा नहीं हो रहा है। पिछले 3 साल से अगर अपन सीएजीआर टॉप लाइन ग्रोथ देखेंगे मुश्किल से 1% आ रहा है। तो इसके लिए अपन मैनेजमेंट क्या करना चाह रहे हैं?
Ankit, you will answer or should I answer?
So, sir, you are right with saying कि जो टॉप लाइन है वो क्या कहते हैं बढ़ नहीं रहा, 1% से बढ़ा है। अगर आप हिस्ट्री में भी देखो तो वो कुछ साल बढ़ता नहीं है, फिर अचानक से बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है। सो आई वुड से वी आर इन दैट प्रोसेस। चाचा, आप कुछ ऐड कर दीजिए।
मैं ऐड करता हूँ। Yes, the good part is we have come across a company, uh, Al Muhadab they are called, a Saudi company, and because they have been buying from multiple people, but they got hits here and there. So they have selected our company for future, for of course part of their purchases, and they are very big buyer. They are buying around 2.5 lakh ton. So first shipment of 500 ton is moving, and if there's, I mean, it's not the question of their satisfaction because they examine everything in our factory, in our plant. They go, they have, we have learned from them also the way they are procuring, and hope so this company remains with us. And if we live up to their expectation, why not? They will be going here and there because they, after a lot of uh, investigation or observation, they have come to us. And we have told them our company doesn't work on break-evens or losses. We need, because I always say the true marker of any business is profitability, and it has to be there, low or high. And I'm expecting increase of top line from these people. Apart from that, we are regularly discussing in our own company for domestic sales. If because 2 days back I was talking to my distributor in Agra. He's my distributor since 1980, and Maharani is quite famous in Agra. So just one call of mine and talking to him, he placed order of 100 onto factory.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice. And what we really need is maybe personally me or Ankit or my son, because Vijay is involved in quality production in the factory. He's not free. We need to meet the people. We have to revive our old these distributors. It will grow. And I have seen we have, as God brand is concerned, somebody has carried out some this survey. Next to Lal Killa, we are coming. I'm happy. So
Very
domestic sales is very important now, and particularly after the this war and disturbance happens in any part of the world. It was earlier in Ukraine, then we have seen Israel-Iran war only, and now America entering into it. So, which hit not only Iran and GCC countries also. Nobody ever knew, nobody ever dreamed this thing will happen. So it's like not putting all egg in one basket. We are doing separate business, and domestic is our next target.
राजीव जी, मैंने जो देख रहा था अपना एक्सपोर्ट टर्नओवर डोमेस्टिक टर्नओवर का रेशियो अपन देखें तो फाइनेंशियल ईयर 23 में ये 2.74% टोटल एक्सपोर्ट टर्नओवर था हमारा। एंड फाइनेंशियल ईयर 26 में ये 2.39% था। तो नियर अबाउट 97.5% टर्नओवर अपन डोमेस्टिक का कर रहे हैं। ठीक है। तो जहां तक मुझे लगता है अपने को सेल्स टीम को थोड़ा सा एनलार्ज करना पड़ेगा, पर्टिकुलरली इस पार्ट को फोकस करने के लिए। अगर 97% हम डोमेस्टिक से कर रहे हैं, इसके बावजूद अपन सेल्स का अपन नहीं बढ़ा रहे हैं, तो नो डाउट हमें सोचना चाहिए। ये मेरा थिंकिंग है।
नहीं, आपकी सजेशन इज वेल टेकन. सेल्स टीम हैज टू वर्क हार्ड, and sales, it is essential for the management also to visit once the
Yes.
So I would like to correct something over here,
yeah.
Rajesh ji.
Yeah,
In
please.
FY23, our export revenue as a percentage of sales was 73%. Okay. Today it is
Pardon?
export revenue
हाँ
as a percentage of total revenue was 73%. Today in FY26 it was 91%.
नहीं बॉस, एक बार प्लीज चेक करिएगा। जहां तक मुझे लग रहा है FY23 में आपका टोटल रेवेन्यू सेल्स का 125 करोड़ बता रहे हैं, जो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन है उसी में, और FY26 में 156 करोड़ बता रहे हैं, और उसको आप अपना टोटल टर्नओवर के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे तो मेरे ख्याल से जो रेशियो में 2.5% का बता रहा हूँ वही है। अगर मैं गलत हूं तो फिर प्रेजेंटेशन में कहीं पर कुछ होगा।
Let me just recheck and come back to you on this. But
प्लीज प्लीज
yeah,
प्लीज
but
प्लीज।
as data, it has gone from 73 to 91%.
हाँ, राजीव सर ज्यादा अच्छे से बता पाएंगे। क्यों राजीव सर, ये जैसे बता रहे हैं, क्या 91% टोटल सेल्स का 91% अपना एक्सपोर्ट है?
देखो, बट आई पर्सनली ज्यूम 90% एक्सपोर्ट, 10% ही शायद डोमेस्टिक है, बट फिगर्स यू हैव टू रिकंसाइल, यू नो।
अच्छा, तो फिर सर वो प्रेजेंटेशन में जो फिगर दिया हुआ है उसमें अपने को चेक करना पड़ेगा।
इट नीड्स रीचेक rather than to make any claim. It's better.
करेक्ट 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 करेक्ट। सेकंड चीज सर, ये स्लाइड 15 में हमारा दिया हुआ है कि एबिट मार्जिन अपना चमन लाल का 11% है, वेरेज हमारा पियर वन का 14% है। एक कंपैरेटिव चार्ट दिया हुआ है। और नेट प्रॉफिट मार्जिन अपना 8% है, जबकि पियर वन का 11% है। तो ये चीज को बढ़ाने के लिए अपन क्या कदम उठा रहे
किस चीज को बढ़ाने के लिए थोड़ा?
हैं? एबिट मार्जिन एंड नेट प्रॉफिट मार्जिन को।
राजेश सर, इस क्वार्टर के अंदर EBITDA is 12.3%.
हम्म।
So you can see it is going up. And future maybe you can expect similar things to happen.
वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। सेकेंड चीज अंकित जी, ये जैसे अपन अपना प्रेजेंटेशन में दिया है, मोर देन 300 प्लस अपन ब्रांड ले रहे हैं, जो भी ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं। इसमें एक ब्रांड अपना महारानी सबसे बड़ा फेमस है जिसको कि अपन करें। इसके अलावा दूसरा क्या बड़ा ब्रांड है जिसको कि अपन प्रोसेस करने सेकंड लार्जेस्ट ब्रांड कर रहे हैं डोमेस्टिक मार्केट के लिए?
So Maharani of course is the flagship brand. फिर हमारे पास मिठास ब्रांड है which is also very strong. बेगम करके हमारा ब्रांड है which is also very strong. And अनारकली करके एक और ब्रांड है which also is very strong. So है अपने पास बहुत सारे ब्रांड्स जो स्ट्रेंथ दिखाते हैं।
मेरे ख्याल से
कुछ
अपना, यस, जो अपना वेबसाइट है, वेबसाइट में महारानी के अलावा शायद दूसरा कोई चीज का उतना उसमें व्यू नहीं है। प्लीज उसको अपन दिखवा लेते।
महारानी को हम लोग बिकॉज इट्स द फ्लैगशिप ब्रांड दैट इज द ब्रांड वी आर नोन फॉर, तो उसको तो बड़ा ही दिखाया है, बट आपको
करेक्ट।
बाकी सारे ब्रांड भी मिलेंगे।
ओके
कुछ
ओके।
ऐसी कंट्रीज भी हैं जहाँ पे कुछ ब्रांड्स बहुत बिग वॉल्यूम में बिकते हैं। सो
बायर के लिए स्पेशल ब्रांड अपन बना दिए हैं उसी की
यू
चॉइस
कैन
के
से
साथ।
स्पेशल ब्रांड भी कह सकते हो, हमारा खुद के भी ब्रांड्स भी हैं। हमारा एक ब्रांड है दीवान।
रॉयल इंडिया इज डूइंग ग्रेट, अंकित।
So we have a brand Diwan which has become very big in one of the countries. Maharani would be number one brand in Nigeria. So different countries brands हमारे चलते हैं, strength पे
लास्ट
चलते हैं।
लास्ट क्वेश्चन, थैंक यू। लास्ट क्वेश्चन, हमारा जो साइट है महारानी.in, इसमें इन्वेस्टर के लिए अलग से कुछ ऑप्शन नहीं दिया है मेरे ख्याल से, या मैं ट्रेस नहीं कर पाया, पता नहीं।
सर आई थिंक इन्वेस्टर्स के लिए अलग पूरी की पूरी वेबसाइट बनी हुई है, मैं आपको शेयर कर देता हूँ।
ओके ओके ओके।
हाँ जी, वो
थैंक
संकेश
यू।
जी ने बनवाई हुई है पूरी की पूरी वेबसाइट, वील शेयर इट विद यू।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर द नियर टर्म।
Just to clarify on the export query, yeah, if you go to slide
यस।
number 31, yeah, can you go to
हम्म।
slide number 31 of the presentation? Over
जस्ट।
here, we've given the export sales,
ओके।
right, which is 1011, right, against a turnover of 1387 in FY23, which is 73% of revenues, okay. Against that, it is 1268 in FY26, okay, against a turnover of 1440, yeah. This is including
स्लाइड
other
नंबर।
operating income. अगर आप other operating income हटाते हैं, your turnover is 1399. If I take as a percentage of that, it comes to 91% of revenue coming from
स्लाइड नंबर
exports.
31 आपने बताया ना?
That's right.
मैं देख करके दोबारा प्लीज आ रहा हूँ। थैंक
Yeah,
यू।
sure. Thank you.
Sir, we'll take the next question from Mrunal Kadam. Mrunal, you can go ahead.
Thank you. Congratulations on the strong set of numbers. And I believe this is one of your best quarters. We have seen average realization move up significantly. Can you help us understand how this moves in domestic and export, and what was the key drivers for this higher realizations, and is this looking sustainable?
चाचा आप बताएंगे?
Actually, you see, the prices in this particular year, they raised around 30%. From January onward, they started rising, and the peak level of was observed 30%, which added to the profitability, of course. And secondly, despite war, demand was too high because the people buy essential in such tough times. So um, the prices, the profitability was good. We were supplying timely, and we have very big spread of our business.
विनय सर, जो हमारा इस क्वार्टर का सेल प्राइस है, आई थिंक वो हाईएस्ट है इन इन 90 पर केजी. थोड़ा बता दीजिए प्लीज.
Yeah, that's right. So in Q1 of FY27, our domestic selling price is 64, but our export selling price is 98,
सो ये
which
काफी
is the
ऊपर चला
highest
गया है.
ever, I think, since at least the data I have since Q1 FY23.
दिस इज द हाईएस्ट वी हैव डन टिल नाउ. और यही बेनिफिट फ्यूचर में भी आपको देखने को मिलेगा.
Okay, thank you, sir. Which
वेलकम.
geographies contributed the most to the growth in quarter one, and are these markets expected to remain strong through FY27?
हाँ जी, एब्सोल्युटली. ये कंडीशंस बिल्कुल सेम रहने वाली हैं फ्यूचर के अंदर भी.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Mronal. Sir, we'll take the next question from Surbi Mishra. Surbi, you can go ahead, please.
Hello, congratulations on good sets of number. I wanted to know, in the current global rice trade environment, where does Chaman Lal Setia sees the biggest opportunity to gain market share from competitors?
You see, the business comes increases the kind of dealings we have with our customers. If we live up to the expectation of the customers, one, give them the good quality, good price, they remain attached to us always, and it grows. So we don't see with more to the our peers. Let them do their own way, and we have a different way of business. We don't do in two, three, four countries business. We do with the multiple, and it's very tough work. Believe it, it is more than 300 brands of private label of the customers, and packing them and live up to their expectation is quite tough, and we are doing tough job. Is hard to do. So we sometimes feel we have hardly much competition, and we are going our way good.
Yes, sir. I also wanted to know, are international customers increasingly looking for reliable long-term suppliers post recent supply disruptions? And has the company won any strategic new customers in the upcoming year?
Yeah, always new people are coming. Right now, one guy from Saudi Arabia is sitting on the upper floor, and I was with him, and I just came at 12 o'clock. My sales team is handling.
मैम
And
मैं ऐड कर देता हूँ. वी हैव अ टीम ऑफ न्यू बायर डेवलपमेंट. देयर आर मोर देन 20 पीपल वर्किंग इन इट 24/7. The process of getting the buyer is incentivized, so they work very hard to get new customers. So डेली एक दिन के अंदर 10-10 क्वेरीज होती हैं कस्टमर्स की, एंड दे बीन चेजिंग दीज कस्टमर्स फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. सो अगर हम कंट्रीज की बात करें तो ये जो सेल्स कोऑर्डिनेटर्स हैं, कंट्रीज के जितने भी बायर्स हैं, क्योंकि ये चेंज नहीं होते, बायर्स वही रहते हैं, हर एक के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करते हैं रेगुलरली. सो ये नए बायर्स तो लगते ही रहते हैं कंपनी के.
Okay, thank you. All the best.
थैंक यू.
Thank you, Surbi. We'll take the next question from Love Gupta. Love, you can go ahead, please.
Thank you for the opportunity. So, sir, firstly, I wanted to understand why has our EBITDA remained flat around 150, 160 crores over the past 4 years? And what could be a sustainable EBITDA margin that we can expect to operate at going forward?
This time EBITDA has gone up, in this.
Does the EBITDA basically oscillates between 8% to 12%, sometimes 14% also. So this quarter we've done 12.35%.
Mhm.
So, do we expect to sustain this for the full year?
Yes, we expected to sustain it because we are sitting on stocks. You can check the figures.
All right. And secondly, our export volumes have also been flat, since the past 2, 3 years. And, as Mr. Vinay mentioned, that 90% of our business is now from export. So, can we say that we have lost some share in the domestic market?
If you look at the domestic sales, it has been consistent. Nothing has gone down, right? So in the future, focus is going to come on domestic sales also.
And so the volumes in the export market, them being flat, what is the reason for that?
See, if you look at the history, I said before also, the revenue remains flat for few years and then it picks up. So we
And
are in
But
the
it's
process.
I have already explained about the new buyer, which is one of the biggest. They buy more than 2 lakh tons, this Al Mahadab group. They have joined us. First shipment of 500 ton is going in any day. Just booking has come.
So like the example of Mohideep joining, I mean, we've supplied them 500 tons. We are chasing a lot of customers. You never know when, the big customer starts to, uh, वो अपनी जो बाइंग है वो हमारी तरफ कब करता है जैसे ही करता है तो सेल्स विल पिक अप.
okay, understood.
So it's a
Thank you.
process. I would say it's a process. You can see the history also. If you can check the revenue of last 8, 9 years, you will see it remains same for 2, 3 years and then it picks up.
Okay, got it.
So we are in the process.
Thank you.
So we'll take
We'll take the
one or two
ne-
questions that have come from chat from Gursidak Singh. The company had earlier projected or looking at 1,800 crore revenue. Is it likely to be achieved this year?
See, absolutely, and it will be achieved. Not even 1,800. We can go up to 2,000 also. It's matter of some time now.
The second question is, has the overall demand from areas affected by Hormuz situation improved from last quarter?
So we are not dependent on the areas where Strait of Hormuz is affected. First of all, that is why you can see the revenue has not dropped. Neither the profitability has come down. You can check जो हमने पैसा रिकवर करना है वो भी सारा नॉर्मल चल रहा है. There is no big credit given to any customer, and I don't think कोई major effect आने वाला है.
Sir, we'll take the next question from Ayushi Parekh. Ayushi, you can go.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you for the opportunity. So my first question is that gross margins have improved meaningfully in Q1. So what specific factors have driven this improvement? Like it is better procurement, aging gains, freight normalization, current movement, or a higher share of premium products?
So इसके अंदर तो मेजर प्रोक्योरमेंट का ही रीजन है इस क्वार्टर की अगर हम बात करें. That is the main reason for the margins. Procurement was done at lower price, and we still have stocks. You will see in future also the benefit is going to come.
Sir, and one more question. What is the company's medium-term gross margin aspiration, and what operational levers can sustain margins at the current or at levels above the current level?
You can expect same levels of margins in the future.
So, thank you. All the best.
Thank you, Ayush.
Thank you, Ayushi. Sir, we'll take the follow-up question from Manish Chela. Manish, you can go ahead, please.
Thank you. So, can you give an update on your current capacity utilization, especially across the new units?
Which capacity utilization?
हाँ जी, plant utilization कह रहे हैं.
Yeah.
It's in full swing all over, nothing idle.
No, but what should be the percentage, like 50, 60% or more than that?
Manish, I would say that sometimes we are focusing on domestic sales also because we have the rice. When we are making export rice, lot of lower grade rice is also produced, right? That also needs machinery to be processed. So we are in that process also. That is why the machinery is working at their efficiency, at a good efficiency. But to get rid of the lower qualities, that process is going on as of now. We've sold a lot of lower quality rice in this quarter.
Understood. And दूसरा Ankit bhai, so we started with not so favorable monsoon conditions, right? So do we see any El Nino kind of an impact, or do you think the weather conditions are favorable as far as rice is concerned?
Up till now, I don't see any impact. It is more in the news. We one of the basmati varieties, 1509, which comes early in the month of July, it is coming normal. So I don't see any effect as of now.
The effect of which
All right,
kind?
thank you.
Understood the question. Effect, what kind of effect,
So he was asking about the monsoon.
Monsoon, you see, initially there was, people were saying rainfall is limited. No, it's only rainfall all around. It's raining all over. Secondly, apart from that, farmer always uses canal water or tubal water. They go for their crop always. And this early crop which came, every year it comes early crop from UP. And in this particular year, the early crop was very high price because the prices of rice were high. So consequently, the prices of early crop were very high. So farmer is likely to grow a lot. And if this weather situation, the way rain is happening, so I think we are hearing from the farmers crop is going to be good this year.
Yeah. And राजीव सर, ये जो सऊदी कस्टमर की आप बात कर रहे थे, how are the margins going to be across this order?
देखो,
In line with what you've been doing normally?
Yeah. Your question is very good, and this was our own concern when we start dealing with these people. Because this kind of companies don't let anyone earn much. This is their way of working, I've seen, and they have been buying from multiple suppliers. And they have been cheated also because uh, they give low price, they don't give margin, people try to cheat them. That is the reason they have approached us. I have not approached that company, they have approached us. And we have told them, if you really want to get good rice, you have to pay for that. We don't say give us very large, but reasonable profitability has to be given. We have to meet our expenses. We have to meet our direct and indirect costs. And unless you don't give us the good price, how can we work? Because profitability has to be there in every container. This is what we have said. So first we have tried 500 ton with them, and they are quite happy the way we cooperated with them, and the way quality, they could not find even any deviation in our quality. So hope so we also earn and our sales rise also. It's the time. Let's see.
If you're asking this particular deal of 500 tons, this was highly profitable because we had stocks.
And how big can we scale especially this customer that we are referring to. So Rajiv sir highlighted that the customer was quite happy with the
See, the customer is one of,
rice that was supplied.
right. So customer is the biggest from Saudi Arabia. Let us see in the future how it unfolds. If the customer is valuing the kind of service we'll give them, if he values our quality and he gives us margin, of course the business will become big.
All right.
Thank you, Manish. Sir, we'll take the next question from Vedant Rane. Vedant, you can go ahead, please.
Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity. I'm fairly new to this company, so please bear with me if I ask some basic questions. So, my first question would be follow up on the last participant question. Like you mentioned that Saudi Arabia Group is sourcing 2.5 lakh tons from India. So, how much percentage of that should come to our company?
Yes, it depends where they get good price and good quality. That matters. And we are strict with our principles. We need profitability also, and will live up to their expectations. But they have to pay us. We will not. हमारे फादर कहते थे ईंटें ढोने का काम मत किया करो.
So, sir, my question was more on like how much percentage of volume would come to us, like out of 2.5 lakh tons?
I cannot comment right now.
It's no plans, sir, though.
देखो वेदांत, अगर आप लॉस पे काम करोगे तो वो 2.5 लाख टन दे देगा आपको, उसका फायदा क्या होगा, ये भी सोचना पड़ेगा ना.
Correct, correct. Got it.
अगर मार्जिन देगा तो बढ़ाएंगे काम, नहीं देगा मार्जिन तो नमस्ते करेंगे उसको.
Or when they came to me, this was my first condition that we always earn in every single transaction, and we give the quality. And they are very happy with the quality, and I'm sure they will come to us.
Got it. Got it. My second question is like, could you please explain me what could be the timeline for your inventory to move? Like, if we procure some inventory, let's say around Jan or Q3, when is the revenue recorded for us? Like, in which quarter will the revenue be recorded?
ये subjective है ना. I mean, we have procured rice and paddy in the beginning of season. Some of the rice are still with us, quality wise. And we have been buying also. Even today we are buying. Whenever somebody gives a good price to us, good quality, we pay second day, get 2% cash discount. And we have customers in different part of the world. We make money and sell. So this is, I mean, you can't stick to one time and holding. When the prices are low, this year we bought a lot.
So Vedant, since we buy a lot of rice, it's always just in time. I can get rice in the morning and by night time it'll be getting packed after the fumigation process. I mean, within 24 hours I can pack it. So it is not a big time we take in, procurement and then, processing it. It is always just in time.
Got it. Got it. So my third question would be on similar lines. Like, is there a split that we maintain between paddy and semi-processed rice in our inventory? Like 80 would be semi-processed, 20 would be paddy, something like that.
I think it is mentioned in our balance sheet exactly what we are doing. Chacha, आप बता दीजिए what exactly it is.
25 to 30% is paddy, rest is all rice. And if you ask for the capacity for milling is different, and buying rice and packing it's altogether a different capacity. We have multiple units for packing machines.
Got it. So one more question, like with the current capacity we have, packaging capacity, what's the peak potential revenue company can achieve with this capacity without additional capex?
No, I mean, बहुत सारा, a lot of business is happening, machines are, I mean, as per demand we can do, no problem.
तो वेदांत, अगर बड़ा पैकिंग होएगा तो ज्यादा पैकिंग हो जाएगी, छोटी पैकिंग होएगी तो कम पैकिंग होएगी. एवरेज वी डू अबाउट 500 tons of packing. We can go up to 800 tons per day of packing. So in terms of infrastructure, there is no problem. We are trying hard to get more customers ताकि और ज्यादा सेल बढ़े. अभी डोमेस्टिक के अंदर जोर लगाएंगे.
So, on this side, what would be the ideal mix management would like to, maintain between domestic and export as a percentage of total?
See, it is not the matter of mix. It's the matter of making profitability. I would like my profit to be, EBITDA 12%, 14%, 18% for you. Revenue cannot be the criteria with less percentage of profit. So, अगर profitable business मिलेगा तो बढ़ेगा ही बढ़ेगा.
Understood. So, thank you so much. This were my questions. I would also like to touch base offline. I have a few more questions.
Right, Vedant.
Thank you, Vedant. Sir, since there are no further questions, would you like to give any closing comment?
I want to talk.
Yeah, Vikas, go ahead.
Yeah, Vikas.
Hello, Vikas.
Good afternoon, sir. Is the company only in basmati rice or Sona Masuri and all also, sir?
No, primary we are in Basmati because we are in Basmati area, GI area of Haryana, Punjab and UP. All the close market and that is our main business. But yes, if any customer asks for Sona Masuri, UP also is giving this rice now. It is available from UP. We don't do South India because we don't have control on that area. And we do also.
So majority of our business is basmati, and of course we do Sona Masuri also for our customers.
Sir, what will be the future guidance of growth for current year, sir?
Vikas, can you complete your question?
Yeah, the first thing for growth is the ethics of the company. How we deal with the customer, how we give service to the customer, whether the customer is comfortable with us, our goodwill, our reputation, that matters, and which is one of the greatest in the world for our company. I would like to show you one video. अशोक जी मैं फोन करूंगा तो 5 मिनट.
सर इस पे नहीं कर पाएंगे मे बी.
नहीं कर पाएंगे वो वीडियो जो आपको दिखाई थी. कितनी
हाँ,
तारीफ हुई जापान में मेरी. मेरे
we'll share it separately, sir, with them.
Yeah, okay, we'll share it separately. And after 3 o'clock, I have meeting with the Japanese again. A team has come, and they want to sell and buy both.
All the best for your future, sir.
Thank you so very much.
राजीव सर, लास्ट क्वेश्चन. आपने अभी लास्ट टैगलाइन बताया कि जापानीज कंपनी हमसे बाय भी करेंगे और सेल भी करेंगे. नहीं समझे प्लीज.
दोनों चीजों का है. I'll see what happens.
ओके ओके. ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.
थैंक यू.
चमन लाल का मीटिंग अटेंड करके हमेशा बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है.
कभी गुड़गांव आए आओ कुछ या करनाल या यू आर ऑलवेज वेलकम.
थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. थैंक यू अंकित जी.
बाय.
Thank you, Rajesh ji. Have a good day, sir.
Sir, since there are no further questions, you would like to give any closing comment?
हाँ जी, हाँ तो मैं बोलता हूँ, then you also tell. So my closing comments are that despite so many challenges in this quarter, I feel the revenue and the profitability remain all well, and you can expect the next quarter also to be the same. अभी strong ही चलेगा सब कुछ. चाचा?
Actually, what I personally feel, if principally we are doing well with our organization, within our organization, ethics, and with the customer, we are living up to their expectation, business will organically grow. Nothing to worry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to the management team for your valuable time, and thank you to all the participants
Sir,
for
this
joining on the
year,
call.
can we expect any buyback?
Because we are ending the call now, I would request that allow us to finish the call. So since
Sir, last question, sir. This year, can we expect any buyback?
I do take on record your suggestion. Thank you.
Thank you to the management team for your valuable time. This brings us to the end of today's conference call. You all may disconnect now. Thank you.